Welcome to Mystery Mail. I'm your host, Bert, Glick, whatever the hell you want to call me, and I'm here to show you some special processes, some effects, some juicy ASM effects you can add to your skin. Let's start with the big one. So, this is the text box. This is how it looks. This is all the scene is. It's just an absurdly long wait timer because I don't want to spoil my own damn hack. This is a macro. It helps speed up code if you don't want to repeat yourself over and over. It's great. I haven't used them. Please do. So let's uncomment this and see what happens. This is SetDBoxAttributes. This will change the dialog box. Except, haha, no it doesn't. You want to know why? Because these are the values used for the default size in the default place. So let's change it. Esper is being covered up. Let's move this to the top of the screen instead. Wahoo! Be careful not to have the portrait overlap with the dialogue or things will get messy. The real fun stuff happens once we change this funny 0 into a 1. You know, let's just change this back to a 17 while we're here. That seems fun, right? That's right, baby. Dialogue on the top screen. I recommend you use this for unknown actors or message explanation. Or you could use this during, like, flashbacks or something. Just pretty much anything that doesn't involve a face portrait thing, or else it just looks strange, you know? Next up, we got face change. So here's what it does. First off, pick a face you want to change to. We're at normal. Let's change to inspired. See this 22 down here? Divide that by 2 and do the following. Face X. And then change X to your number. Hit save. Pause, load, unpause. Once I scroll this text, there we are. That's a simple one. Let's move on to another simple one. Text speed, vs x, y. This is a fraction, a ratio, whatever the hell you want to call it. It's x over y. X divided by y. That's how fast the text will move. If you want it to move 3 times as fast, well, that's 3 divided by 1. If you want it to move 1/3 as fast, 1 over 3. 10 times faster, 10 over 1. You get the idea. But I want it to move at 1/3 the speed. And VR is how you signal it to end. Let's see it. That works. Next up, unlocking in text. UID. UX. X is the number you want to unlock. In this case, 0. That's it. That's the whole thing. That is actually just all it does. It just unlocks mid-text. It's very, very simple, and it'll lead to a lot of cool stuff. Please use locks. They're really cool. Second to last, we have this little commented out special process. In my case, it'll be 65. In yours, 67. Let's just run this. The second number should always be 0, by the way, in this case. First number is an ID of some sort. It's a frame ID. That looks nice. I wonder what the other options look like. Well, my friends, that's up to you to decide. That's right, and leaving it up to you to decide which one you like best. And it's not out of laziness on my part. And finally, we have the ungodly abomination that is check input status. 66 is the correct ID. This is the one you'll be using. You're going to want either an active wait method or a loop of some sort. It's still unknown when the game checks for these, or rather unknown how often it does. But yeah, let's change this to button. Because 0x1 is not right, it is A. B is 0x2, 4, 0x4 is select, 0x8 is start. I'll have a list of these. But yeah, this is how you use it. Case 1, the player is holding it, and case 0 and default, they are not. That's it. It's much more daunting than 8x makes it out to be. There's not really many applications for this aside from an entire damn minigame. Which, by the way, if you want to do, you'll have to make in 2 days. And yeah, that should be everything. Good luck in Mystery Mail, guys. And sorry for the crappy mic. It was either this or constant beeping.